Hey YouTube family, it's Lisa at Lisa & Company, and today we have the first of our fall videos for you. I was waiting just till we tipped over. You know, the kids are back to school and it's finally September, so here we go. Today is a quick and easy wreath, although I admit I had a couple of challenges with this one, but as always with DIY, you just have to keep going and eventually you'll be happy with your outcome. So if you enjoy this kind of video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell, and you'll get notifications every time we upload a video. So without further ado, let's make a wreath. For this wreath, we're just going to need a few simple things today. We have a wire wreath form we picked up at the dollar store. I have some floral foam. I have this great piece we picked up at a thrift store not far from here for only $2. How you can't beat that. And a whole bunch of different greenery. Some of it's from Michael's, some of them are from the dollar store, but they're going to come together and they're going to make a beautiful end result. These are all in great fall colors. We may add the white ones. We're just going to see how we do. Before we actually get started placing any of the greenery, I want to do something to add lots of texture to this wreath. So we're going to use this 4-ply jute. We're going to wrap it around the wreath just behind at the top and the bottom where we're going to attach that beautiful candle holder. So take a look and see how we get this done. Once I have this all wrapped around, I'm just going to tie it off at the back and add a couple of dabs of glue just to make sure none of it unravels. I'm just starting with the basic greenery, going back and forth from side to side. I want this to be really balanced. Yes, I totally have symmetry issues. So like you can see, I'm just going back and forth. I'm getting that sort of faded fall boxwood in before I start adding these hydrangeas. Now, I am not really a purple person, but these really spoke to me. There's something about that faded, dried out hue of a hydrangea that just screams fall. To add the candle sconce, I just wired it at the top and the bottom. I wanted to make sure it was really secure since it will be outside. And all done. I told you guys at the beginning I had some struggles with this, but I am so happy with the way it turned out. I went back and I added a little bit more at the top and the bottom with some fall leaves, acorns, and pumpkins. I also made that jute tassel, and I'm loving how it looks with it all unwound. It just looks so casual and fall, and I'm really excited to put this outside. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time at Lisa & Company.